Welcome back, dear Dinka learners. Let us learn 50 Dinka vocabularies. 1. Achak, achak, tick, abort, cattle pneumonia, a booth or a mutum, pumpkin, a chimuk, wizard, a big floor, a bolong, mushroom, a pioke, earthman, a boar, plot, a dark road, lazy person, a day joke, careless woman, a dwom, all, a gamlong, interpreter, a dumom, sin, a wage, war, harlot, a jep, milk guard, a jack, rich person, a gumut, wall, a juwak, horse, a quem, bean, a cake, quarrel, a kew, boundary, a colmagar, dragonfly, a cook, myth, voracious, a league, bad, a loin, servant or slave, a lar, mouse, trap, a lat, close, a nglich, tiger fish, a nyitut or a utut, toothbrush, a needle, helping fish, a pip, witchcraft, a pin, wasp, insect, a pup, good, a PM, goat, a pot pot, a pot pot mean very nice, a take, catfish, a track, dome palm. These are very common in my area. A track, a theme, examination, a treat, treat, leprosy, a terbe, miscarriage, a watch, mistake, a wadiol, bad woman. Sorry guys. A alwait, liar, a thorn, promise, a tip, shadow, a rugo. A rugo mean karkede. We commonly call it ketkede. So this is the real name in English. Karkede. A rugo. A roar, reed, a whim, batok, a rioch, coward, a lutwer. A lutwer mean what? Write it for me. I want to know. Yenakan the end by William Majang Maleng Deng Dit. Dupuch itong yang. Nyalik kawik kuyania. Bye bye. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV Pie. Please go there and subscribe. Okay? Bye bye.